Kaikōhau, an expression of hope and an invitation to all good things to come into your life. And you know what? You can use it in lots of everyday situations. At the dinner table, at work, before a meeting, after a meeting, when you wake up, when you go to sleep, birthdays, Matariki, Waitangi Day, Christmas. Hell, you could probably even use it before a date. So, learn it and save it for later. No mai ngā hua, no mai ngā pai. No mai kia nui, kia hāwere ai. Let's break it down. No mai ngā hua. Welcome all things that have grown. No mai ngā pai. Welcome all things that are good. No mai kia nui, kia hāwere ai. May there be plentiful and abundant. When you speak these words, you need to feel these words because you're welcoming things that are beneficial and wishing for them to be plentiful in the times to come. Now, you might be wondering, how do I end this Kaikōhau? Well, it's up to you, but here are some examples. Mauri ora. Tēnā tātou katoa. Manawatia a Matariki. So, there you have it e whāma. Learn our Kaikōhau and give it a go.